Hello and welcome back to the ASC Building Products e-commerce training video series. My name is Aaron and I'm one of the developers of the MyASCProfiles portal, our e-commerce site. This video will go over the basics of ordering accessories. Let's get started. ASC Building Products offers a variety of accessories to complement your order. To begin, click the Accessories button on the home page. The next step is to select the type of accessory that you want. You can see that as you select different options, the filters on the left will enable and disable, indicating which filters are valid for that type. Let's say that we're looking for some 26 gauge chestnut brown flat sheet. Gauge is easy enough, but there are more color options here than I want to sort through, so I will enter brown into the search and there it is. To display the results of my selection, I click on Show Selected Accessories, which will search through the catalog to find the matching product. There is one match, and expanding it looks up the price for a single sheet. However, I'd like 10 of them. And there's the updated price. Add to cart. Let's say I'd like some matching wood screws to complement the flat sheet, but I also need some bare ones. I will select fasteners, but since I searched for brown, bare is no longer visible. I can clear my search by clicking X here, but you will see that it kept my previous selection. If I wanted to clear my selection, I could click None here. All, of course, selects all colors, but that's going to bring back way more results than I'd ever want. For now, I will just click Bare and Show Selected Accessories. We offer several types of fasteners, but I'm just looking for wood screws. The first two are exactly what I need, so I'll expand them both. 100 count is perfect, so I will just add these two to the cart. I'm done with these results, so I just click Continue Shopping at the bottom right. That covers the basics of ordering accessories. If you have time, I would suggest exploring each of these categories to get a feeling for what we offer. If you prefer, our PDF catalogs can be found here. To return to the home page at any time, click the logo at the top left. That's it for this video. If you have any questions about accessories, please contact your ASC representative. As always, feel free to take a look at our other videos to learn more. Have a great day.